There's always a limit to something, and sometimes you just have to upgrade. In this video, I'll be making a DIY airhorn system that's super cheap and easy to make. First of all, I started off with an old water bottle, installed two pipe valves to it. Then I'm gonna install a ball valve so I can do some fine tuning on the air. After that, I'm gonna install a solenoid. Then I'm going to install a longer pipe. Then I'm going to install a bike valve adapter at the end. After that, I'm going to get my cheap air horn. I'm going to install a bike valve to it, and then I'm going to put it all together just like that. Then I'm going to do the wiring, and it's done. From the DIY air tank to the ball valve to the solenoid, all the way to our switch, then to the battery, back to our solenoid, then we go all the way to our cheap air horn. But this is not any DIY air horn system because I can use the air in the tank to pump the bike tires. This is what the horn sounds like from far away. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and hope to see you in another video. Now enjoy this rainy, wonderful sunny view and just relax.